This is our third year participating in CIAE. We're very happy to do so, and each year since 2020, we've been able to bring one new, very innovative product for each of our business units last few years. So the first year was the SAPIEN 3 transcatheter valve. Last year was the Inspiris surgical heart valve. And this year we look forward to bringing the Hemosphere HPI hypertension predictive index capability into the CIAE to showcase. So for each of these products, these are flagship products for each of our business units. In particular, the SAPIEN 3 transcatheter valve has experienced very strong spillover effect from CIAE since debuting 2 years ago. And that's attributable to the fact that we've been able to provide that in over 20 provinces in China, in close to over 70 hospitals, and numerous patients being treated with very successfully at over 98% procedure success rate. That's how we determine the level of success for each of these surgeries. And very importantly also, we've been seeing more reimbursement coverage for the SAPIEN 3 product and transcatheter valves in general. From Henan province, for example, from the city of Shanghai, Yunnan province, Xinjiang even. So we see more and more coverage and acceptance of this treatment therapy, which we feel is very good because it lowers the level of access barrier for patients, making it more affordable for everyone who needs the treatment to undertake it. Edwards Lifesciences invest a lot in research and development, actually 2 times the rate of our normal medical device company. So as a result of that investment, we have a very strong pipeline of products in transcatheter aortic valves, in transcatheter mitral valves, and surgical valves, and critical care medicine. So some of these products have been in Europe or US already, and we're looking forward to bring them into China. So that's an important investment that we want to make to deliver the best therapy for our Chinese patients. Sometimes as a matter of the approval process, we need to do a clinical trial, which is expensive, which is very rigorous, but it's also very necessary investment for us to bring this product in. And then once we get the product on the market and after it's approved, we continue to invest by providing the best training. In the case of transcatheter products, for example, not only do we provide training, but one of our clinical specialists is present in every case, which explains why our procedure success rate is so high, over 98% with the SAPIEN 3 product. So, training, clinical trial investments, and also very more recently, we made an investment to go direct in Hong Kong. Okay, so we converted our business from a distributor model to a direct model in Hong Kong because we think in the future, with the Greater Bay Area policy, Hong Kong will be an innovation hub for Edwards Lifesciences, and maybe also a faster way to bring our innovation into the rest of the China, particularly the Greater Bay Area, which is just next door to Hong Kong. So that's the way we think that we would like to optimize this path, which is very much aligned with all the government policies that we've seen so far, and we're very excited about that. So China today, without question, is already the second largest market for medical devices. Of course, it's also the second largest economy in the world, but also already, I don't know if people know this, but the second largest for medical devices as well. And it's also the fastest growing, actually, double-digit growth. So we think sooner or later it will overtake the US to be the largest market. That's why it's very important for us to be here. Our company is very committed to be in China. It's one of our most important strategic markets for Edwards Lifesciences. And when you look at the demographics, there's in China not only the large population, but there is also a large aging population, between 200 to 300 million citizens above the age of 65, which is what a lot of our products are used to treat in transcatheter valves and also surgical valves. So it provides a very healthy basis, the demographic tailwind, we call it, for a business like Edwards Lifesciences, and that's why we're so keen to participate in this market. And we feel that China will continue to provide economic growth, more affordability, greater access through reimbursement and other policy decisions that the government will take. So we feel very optimistic that our therapies and our products will continue to benefit from all these reform and policies that the Chinese government has enacted. So we're very happy about that. You know, we've been here for over 20 years, and we look forward to continuing growing our presence here. In particular, we're looking forward to going from not only the highest and largest hospitals, but into lower tier hospitals, into tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and expand our presence. We think that's going to be very important to continue to support the hospital infrastructure of China. You know, CIE has been a great platform for us. You know, it showcases our business, our technologies, our new products in China and also to the rest of the world, really. So it's a big megaphone, if you will. And you know, it's a very powerful presence to be able to participate in CIE. And so, you know, in a way, we're just following up on our successes for CIE by going into more provinces and more hospitals and expanding to more patients. So the beginning platform of CIE has been a very helpful one for us, and we look forward to continue to get the benefits from CIE, and that's why we continue to participate.